Let's agree on one thing. Images are a part of online marketing that we just can't skip. Without graphics, your website looks bland and no one will want to buy from you. But you see, adding images to your posts, your articles, your sales page is always an annoying process. First, you have to find the relevant ones online, and then you have to edit them. And then after all that effort, you still don't have a simple way of sharing them. Until now. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up by allowing you to find, edit and publish images with just one click. But most importantly, we're finally giving you Photoshop-like power in the cloud. That's right. ImageX is the first cloud-based software that gives you the ability to edit any image or graphic, including logos, banners, box covers. It comes with over 500 pre-made templates, and you can upload your own as well. And it's just like having Photoshop in the cloud. With one simple $17 fee, it even allows you to upload and edit PSD files on the go. It's powerful yet simple to use, and in the end you can share your graphics or designs with just one click. And the best part? Our software is so simple to use. Simple enough that even a newbie can master it, and it won't cost you an arm or a leg. This means you now easily can have stunning graphics on any site you own and even sell them to your clients with just a couple of clicks. Do you feel intrigued? Here, take a look at this right now. Now, once you've logged into our web interface, you can use any of our 500 plus built-in templates for any graphics you might need. This will include logos, banners, headers, book covers, boxes, buttons, and much more. Besides the built-in templates, you can easily add your own image or even a PSD file, or you can simply search for them using our powerful search engine. Now, once that's done and you've got your images or graphics, in literally seconds, you can use our fully fledged editor to make them perfect. This drag and drop solution is immensely powerful, and it allows you to instantly tweak any logo, banner or image with just a couple of clicks. Now, we're talking Photoshop level of precision and ease of simplicity that even a newbie can master. In fact, this part of ImageX is so good, it's earned the name of Photoshop in the cloud. You might be thinking that you've seen it all. Well, not quite yet, because once your image is finished and you're happy with the result, you can embed or share your graphic right from within ImageX. You see, ImageX is so simple and so powerful, you are guaranteed to see fast results. And because it's so simple to use and implement, you can even start making money from day one, just by tweaking the existing templates that we give you and offering a logo or banner service on Fiverr.com, for example. In fact, with this drag and drop simplicity, ImageX has been designed by internet marketers for internet marketers like you and me. The state-of-the-art technology inside has ImageX being built from the ground up to help you make the most money possible from your existing assets. And we make it easy for you to convert future visitors into ecstatic buyers and loyal subscribers. Folks, this is the ultimate all-in-one image software that we internet marketers have been crying out for years. So take action now and secure your early bird copy today. The pricing makes it a no-brainer. It'll be worth it, I promise you. We'll see you on the inside.